I literally have no choice as to whether or not I get to celebrate Pride every day. I have to celebrate Pride every day. I have to put on my shoes, and I have to be brave, and I have to be alive, and I have to be excited for the day, or else I won't make it. I'm a queer Black person of size with red hair in the South. For me, I know I'm living the life that some random queer wishes they could live. So I have to live it. I have to be here, or else what's the point? I really believe the advice most folks who are younger need to hear is be okay. Not it will be okay, but be okay. Love yourself. If you can take a stock on who you want to be, how you want to be, who you are, you give yourself permission to take everything in this world that is meant for you and make the most of it. The second I realized I only need to judge myself and be judged by myself was the day I liberated myself.